Guys, I want to show you something. I've got this. Look at this. So I've got this because I'm the third winner of reading poem. I'm so excited and my dad is so excited too. It's not only the trophy, but look at this. Some books, and I think this is a glue and this is a ruler. I think a pencil case, no? Free hand sanitizer. So I've got something, okay? Oh, an eraser, it's here. Look at this. So mini. You can't see it, I think. Wait, let me see. Oh yes. And after that, it's not only this and this. Not only the trophy and these things for the school. I've got these two. Look at this. You need to open it first. Ta-da! Look. Oh my goodness. It looks nice. Yeah, I've got these three things. Thank you. Hi, super. I'm so surprised with Madam. Look at this. I'm so excited. Do you want to unboxing this? Let's go. Let's do unboxing first. A pencil. Yes, a marker. Like, I've got two colors, orange and yellow. It's amazing, those two. And it's so big. I like it so much. And sanitizer too. Me for my mom too. And look, I don't know what kind of thing. Oh, this. It's for my school too. It's nice. Ruler case too. Wait, let me see. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love it so much. I want to try it at home. It's cute. I love it so much. And maybe, oh, I still got some more. This is the normal one. Okay, no. Okay, let's see. Another one. Wait, let me put it in this. Some people wait. You. Little eraser is just like this. Love it very much. Okay, and that's all. Oh yes, and my medal too. But that's all. Thank you. Hi, super fans! I'm so excited. And now I'll tell you my activity at school. PE. Actually, I can play with my friends and the PE is really fun, but I hate to go around. Really hold that. It's done. I go to kindergarten until junior high school. I like it very much. Oh my goodness, that was exciting. And I want to show you my daddy eating. Look at this. I've got a riddle for you, Daddy. So the story is, there was a little girl called Alicia. She was one of the big girls, and she is about 15 years old. And actually, she's got a little brothers. The name is Jack and Mark. Jack is 5 years old. No, actually it's not 5. It's about 7. And Jack is 7 too. They both are playing a football outside the garden. And Alicia was cleaning the house. She was cleaning the plate, and one of them kicked the football into the house and the window was broken. And the question is, which of the brothers that threw the football into the window? What? No, it's not mommy. That's not mommy. It's only Alicia, Jack, and Mark. What? No, it was Jack. Yes, because Jack was trying the football first, and he was kicking very fast, like this. Boys. Like this. Silly Daddy, you always eat raw. Okay. And I think that's all. Thank you. Bye, superheroes.